Next, so in this video I will show a basic SQL injection attack using group suit. Some submitted using random credentials. So group suit, submitted. Natin. Test file. Then punta na tayo sign in. Test. 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 Login. Then, ito yung nilagay natin sa user ID and password test. Next is try na yung request verb submit. Modify yung ito yung lalagay natin, papalit natin dito sa user ID, then sa password, then pag submitted or login forms, random credentials and interpreter request, and replace the password value with ito or so let me forward it. This happens because the SQL query behind the login is not detected. The injection condition 1 is equal to 1 always returns true. So the login succeed. So ito yan. Then to fix this. So i-forward natin din. Try natin mag-open dito. Admin. Off. Yun. So to fix this, the method should use prepared statement to prevent SQLI. So yun lang.